The Lalit Gate scandal is only getting bigger. After Sushma Swaraj, it's now the turn of Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje to find herself in the dock over links with Lalit Modi. Documents released by Lalit Modi's lawyer show how Raje helped Lalit Modi to get an extended UK permit. Not just that, the Rajasthan Chief Minister wanted to keep her intervention strictly under wraps. All this is happening at a time when the government is going all out to protect Sushma Swaraj. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley says the charges against the External Affairs Minister are baseless and all her actions have the full support of the government.
But the Congress is not letting this opportunity pass by with such ease. Senior Congress leader Anand Sharma launched a direct attack against Prime Minister Modi, even as party workers took the protest against Sushma to the streets. The Times Now expose raises many questions. Can the Prime Minister remain indifferent to such serious charges? How will it change the dynamics within the party and also the Modi Sarkar? Will it come in the way of the Modi government's ambitious reform initiatives? The impact of our network, Lalit Gate expose on the Modi government is our top story right here on Business Tonight.
She has been exposed, every charge backed by proof. Charges of quid pro quo, charges of misusing her office, breaching propriety, conflict of interest, bypassing her own department and enforcement directorate, all for an economic offender, Lalit Modi. But morals in public life are long buried, and so Sushma Swaraj will stay and thrive despite all the taint on her. The government and the party firmly behind the External Affairs Minister.
उन्होंने जो किया अच्छी नीयत के साथ किया, she acted bona fide. सारी सरकार और सारी पार्टी उसमें एक मत की है. इसमें किसी को संदेह ना रहे.
This even as the Finance Minister admitted to Lalit Modi being an economic offender.
There is a procedure of a blue corner notice which is issued by Interpol. That notice was issued in 2010. That notice continues to be valid even today.
Jaitley's defense is no ordinary backing. He is known to be one of the Prime Minister's closest confidant besides party President Amit Shah. And a stand he takes is a reflection on what's Modi's mind. So despite all the brazen allegations, the government will be defiant and Sushma Swaraj will stay on. Propriety be at bay. Bureau Report, ET Now, New Delhi.
सुषमा स्वराज का क्या मतलब है? सरकार में एक ही व्यक्ति है जो चलाता है पूरा का पूरा हिंदुस्तान जानता है. यहाँ पे जो इनके मिनिस्टर्स हैं उनका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान को चलाते हैं और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को बचा रहे हैं. सिंपल बात है. इस मुद्दे को कांग्रेस किस तरह से उठाएगी? हम प्रेशर डालेंगे भैया. पहले हमने कहा था सूट बूट की सरकार है. आस्ते आस्ते आपको पता लगेगा सूट बूट और लूट की सरकार है.
The External Affairs Minister who did what was improper, unwarranted, then the others also can be accused of protecting and dereliction of their duty to the country.
They are only talking about humanitarian. Well, when it is hard matter of governance, you can't hide under the issue of humanitarian ground. So therefore, the Prime Minister and the Foreign Affairs Minister have to come clean on this.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.